What's up guys, Chris here from Let's Level Up with another Sketchup tutorial to help you through your day. Today we're going to be talking about the eraser tool and a few extra benefits it has. So let's dive right in. So when looking for the icon, firstly, it'll be this pink rectangle up on your toolbar, or simply type E on your keyboard to activate the cursor. Now there's two different ways you can erase these lines, and one would be to individually select them, which is far longer process than it needs to be. You can also left click, drag over the items. You can see they are now highlighted in blue, which means they're set to be deleted. You release your mouse key and they're deleted. There's not too many other processes of the eraser tool. However, there's two extra benefits this has. One being able to hide profile lines, and two, to curve edges. The first one would be to have your cursor active, type shift, and you'll see a little gray arc added to your cursor. Now you are able to click a line and they disappear. Notice that this is quite a chiseled edge, so you are basically hiding these. The second option would be to have your cursor active again, type control. You will now see a white arc. Let me jump between the two so that you can see. Shift, control, shift, control. Now this would be curving an edge. Same, click on the edge as you go around, or click on any edge that you want. Now you can notice that this has a curved view to it, which is quite nice. I'd like to add one more thing to do with the eraser tool, which referred back to one of the first processes. If you've typed shift and you are hiding the edges of something and you finish the process and you feel, oh darn, I actually need those lines back. How do I get them back? Well, it's very simple. All you do is you go up to edit, unhide, last, or all. In this case, we're going to click all, and that'll show all the lines again. You can also, basically, if you are in a group, you can also hide these manually by either typing a shortcut or right click hide, but it's all up to personal preference and whichever way is quicker for you. So there's a bunch of ways how to use the eraser tool. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one.